Now that power has been supplied, we're going to connect the input and output wiring to the modules. Let's start with the inputs. Verify that power is still off. The inputs can accept either digital or analog signals. A jumper on the control module is used to indicate what type of signal each input expects. These signal types include a pre-con Type 2 10K thermistor, dry contact, 0 to 5 volts DC, and 0 to 20 milliamps. The technical instructions provide additional details about these input types, their uses, limitations, and corresponding wiring specifications. Move each jumper so it accepts the appropriate signal type. Next, wire each input to the screw terminals. The wiring of the outputs is very similar to the wiring of the inputs. Power should be turned off before terminating the output wiring to the screw terminals. The digital outputs are dry contact, 24 volts AC, and depending upon the module, rated at 1 amp or 3 amps, and may be configurable as normally open or normally closed. The analog outputs support voltage devices in the 0 to 10 volts DC or 0 to 20 milliamp range, and the device that is being controlled must have a minimum of 500 ohms resistance measured from its input to ground and must share the same ground as the module. Additionally, some modules also support pneumatic analog outputs. Again, details on these outputs can be found in the module's technical instructions.